silent wind is calling names we knew. Shadows breathe between the lines of truth. Don't lower your eyes, don't beg, don't pray. You gave it away in a childish way. I won't chase you out, but it's time to go. This fragile boat is starting to leak below. Now on a cue, there's no blame to give, no sense to judge how the blessed live, where silence sagged and joy withdrew. The poems stayed, and they carried you. They're the only ones that touch my skin, painting light where truth begins. Eyes that knew me long before, I lean to them forevermore. Like a word that trembles, soft and slow. You're my breath, my fire, my home, I know. The sacred ground where hearts align, where love is king and time resigns. Every vein, feeding blood, easing pain. Blushing lip, newborn sight, show a world remade by light, where love is meaning, love is will, to shape the good, to rise, to build. While fate once wounded by desire counts only body in the fire. Don't lower your eyes, don't drown in shame. You lost your way, not your name. Fill your heart with love, not time. Not burning minutes turn to crime. Love's a gift, gold can earn, a holy road, where hearts must learn